Education has always driven progress. Today's students expect flexible, personalized learning, but disconnected tools and siloed content hold institutions back. Kaltura's AI Video Campus Suite brings everything together in one unified platform, built to support teaching, learning, training, and certification. Capture content once, then automatically generate quizzes, chapters, summaries, localized versions, and micro-learning experiences. Deliver tailored learning journeys at scale while saving time for faculty and instructional teams. All content is centralized, secure, and seamlessly integrated into your LMS. And beyond the classroom, Kaltura powers admissions, graduations, and lifelong learning, extending your institution's reach and impact. This isn't just video, it's the platform for smarter, connected learning. Book your demo today.